Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the presentation slides autoplay for themselves within a player. This is especially useful if you're a Shopify store owner or a beginner who wants to showcase products, announcements, or tutorials without manually clicking through slides. So it is going to be the Canva design player and also the presentation maker, which works perfectly for hands-free demos, landing page visuals, or in-store display screens. So we are going to head over to canva.com and sign in for an account. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, it's very beginner-friendly and works directly in your browser. As you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard, where all your designs live in one place. Now, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over to the presentation that we have. These are going to be mostly the presentation signs that we are going to find right there where my mouse is hovering and showing. For more precise, it is going to be a logo like this, which makes it easy to identify presentation files at a glance. You can go ahead and create a new one or have a template, which is great if you're short on time or want a clean, professional look right away. Or if you already have one made for your Shopify store, go ahead and click on it. Now, what are we going to do from this presentation? You can see that we have all the slides going on, laid out on the side. Well, now how we can present it, basically you click on Present and you're going to find a menu with multiple viewing options. We have Present Full Screen, Present Review, Present and Record, and finally, Autoplay. Each option serves a different purpose, but Autoplay is the one we want if we're creating a self-running presentation. You can go ahead and click on Autoplay, and as you can see, set speed to automatically play. This lets you control how fast viewers see each slide, which is important if you're showing product features or short promotional messages. So you can go ahead and click on Present, and it is going to be automatically playing the slides as long as you are going to put the duration of each one of the slides right there. Now the slides are going to be having a timing, which is going to be represented within this specific bar at the bottom of each slide. This makes it very visual and easy to adjust. So we can go ahead and make the timing shorter to 2 seconds or 2.5, depending on how much text or visuals you have on each slide. For example, product images usually work well with shorter timings. And we are going to apply it to all the pages, so you don't have to set it one by one. And we are going to apply it like that. Click on Present, Autoplay again, and click on Present. You're going to see the difference right away. It is not going to take more than 2 or 1.5 seconds, depending on the choice that you have set to set out the automatic presentation. This is perfect for looping displays, passive viewers, or when you want your content to keep running smoothly without interaction. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, found it useful for your store or projects, and I hope to see you soon in the next tutorial.